Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you're signed into the Google account that has the block. Open Chat. Google.com or the Google Chat app now. Once loaded, find the conversation list. Tap or click the person's name or the three-dot menu in the chat header to reveal contact options. This is the first actionable step because you can't unblock without the chat context. Once you see their profile card or menu, you're ready to move to unblock controls quickly. From the profile card or the chat details pane, choose the menu that lists actions like mute, block, or unblock. If you previously blocked them, the option will read unblock or remove from blocked contacts. Select it. Confirm the action in the confirmation dialog. Once done, messages and invites will be allowed again. Make sure to refresh the chat list or reopen the conversation so the UI updates and you can resume normal messaging without delay. After unblocking, send a brief test message to confirm delivery and presence in the chat. If the person still appears blocked, sign out of Google Chat and sign back in, or restart the app to force a sync. Also check account-level blocked contacts via people and sharing in Google account settings. Sometimes block lists sync from there. If messages still fail, clear the app cache on mobile or try an alternate browser. These steps resolve most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.